Hey, I'm Mason. Welcome to my shop. Come on in. So, here we are. As you can see, right when you walk in, the office. And what do you know? Throttle Therapy's on. Oh yeah. So this doesn't look like much, but this is where many cylinder heads have been rebuilt. Lots of little meticulous work on this bench has been done. Tire machine, balancer doesn't work. Hasn't worked for a couple of years. She's old and moldy. The tire machine's also old and it leaks really bad, but you can still do shitty tires. Over here, we got the house furnace. I think it's 140,000 BTUs. It heats the whole shop up from like 30 degrees to 70 in 10 minutes. It's awesome. This is the small garage door right here. You can't see it all because the golf simulators kind of tucked up right now, but this at one point was a golf simulator, or it can be. It's ready to be set up again. This is the boneyard corner where all the like transmissions and engines sit, as you can see. So yeah, we got blown up engines, we got turbos, transmissions. I don't even know what half this stuff is. I have to clean house soon. Oil tanks. You might ask yourself, how does he get that out of here? Well, it's hard. And I have to use the lift. So here's my 12 ton press. This thing I bought from Harbor Freight probably 8 years ago now, and it has done hundreds and hundreds of wheel bearings. The detail corner for when I have to clean something once in a while. This is the pipe bender, the 16 ton. This is what we bent up a lot of this stuff for the Barbie Jeep with, and what we're gonna be bending up the drift trike with that we're gonna make this winter or this fall here soon. It has all the dies with it, all the different size dies. Fluids, you need lots of fluids. It won't run without the fluids. So there you go, you got all the oil in the world right there. And in the center of the room, we got the 9,000 pound lift. I probably had the lift for 7 years. I bought it used and I think it's awesome. The big garage door is on this side in front. 16 by 10, 16 by 12. She's a big girl. And then right here. So the air compressor has its own room because air compressors are obnoxious. Only cost me 450 bucks. And if you want to come up the stairs, ladies first. So this is the loft. Anything and everything you want for Volkswagen Audi is up here. You got intake manifolds, turbos, alternators, AC condenser. I got a lot of stuff up here. Hey, that's where that one went. I was looking for you. Yeah, this up here, it's a little messy.
Oh yeah.
Anybody needs go-kart tires? We got plenty. We got big ones, small ones, skinny ones, fat ones. We got this unit that needs, I don't know if we did a video on this?
No.
It's not exactly made to haul 160 pounds, so the clutch needs a little bit of work. That's gonna be this spring. I know I gotta show you this. Here's the fridge. It might not be much, but you got the essentials here. Flavored water, We got some pop, we got some milk over here in the corner. 2% of course. So there you go. Next, I'll show you my toys. So this one's Germs. This is the Tau 50 Magic. It's magical. We just got the race carb on this one. This is the OG to the channel, one of the first units. And then over here, we got another OG to the channel. This one's mine. This one's a 150 CMSI scooter. It's a GY6 150. It's a good unit. It's a little rough. Oh. And then over here is the new Pride and Joy, the thing we just finished. The Barbie Jeep, I guess you could say. We still don't have a name for it, but the Barbie Jeep. So this was a Unison Desert Cat 150. It was a four-wheeler. It was a kid's four-wheeler. We just chopped the top of it off and made it to what it is today. But that's a cool unit. Over here, before the channel was even around, this thing is what me and Germ built. It's the very first drift trike. It's on its second engine. Lots of iterations on the throttle cable, brakes, front tire. Pretty much we learned on this thing how to make them. This is one of the funnest units we have. This is Miles' unit. He doesn't know how to drive it yet. Another OG unit right here. 50cc two-stroke, and it is scary. The biggest of the units is the mini truck we got. So this is a Vantage mini truck. It takes 6 humongous batteries and it goes 25 miles an hour. It is a good time. It's a really fun, huge go-kart. We added some lights. We have to rent a scan tool to make it a little bit faster, but this thing, if you guys want to stick around, subscribe, you'll see this in future videos do some pretty cool stuff. We're gonna lower it and try to race it. Well, I've showed you my shop, I've showed you my toys, I've showed you my fridge even. Now it's time for you to go. Get the fuck out of here. Oh. Get out of here. Out. Get out of here.